What is this one? Talk to the analyst. Okay. Using images, the agent can now detect where fires are likely to start. Code the agent to alert the team if a potential fire hazard location is found on the computer monitor. Okay. Alert the team. Okay, so I think we can do this, guys. Drag the alert team block inside the if hazard found block so that the team can be alerted. So once again, while agent looks for fire, so as long as we're searching the computer screen, we're going to continue to run this code over and over again. If the hazard is found, then we alert the team. Okay, no fires. Awesome, guys. Find the helicopter and talk to the fire.
Be sure to join TechDev Academy's workshops and camps and also read some great articles on their blog page.